Awaiting the birth of a baby is a very exciting time for any new parent, and along with considering baby names, choosing a pediatrician should be on your to-do list before the baby arrives. Christina Flores with more in our Baby Your Baby report.
You have a relationship with your obstetrician, but you need to develop a relationship with the pediatrician also.
Preparing for the arrival of a new baby is a busy time for most parents, and one thing that often gets overlooked before the baby arrives is finding a pediatrician.
I think it's really important to pick a pediatrician ahead of time because you're going to want your baby to have continuity of care.
Dr. Mark Valentine is a pediatrician at the Intermountain Sandy Clinic. He says finding a physician to care for your child beforehand can help establish a foundation of trust.
I think as a parent you need to have somebody that you have trust in, that you have confidence in. I think from a doctor's perspective, you want the same thing. You want to be able to trust that parent that they're going to follow up with the appointment and follow up with the advice.
In some cases, your baby may need to be seen just days after leaving the hospital.
Sometimes there are issues with the baby that need follow-up very, very frequently. And commonly it's things like jaundice or feeding issues.
If you don't have a pediatrician picked out, a great place to start is with recommendations from friends and family. Once you've identified a doctor you are interested in working with, schedule a time to meet them and maybe even take a tour of their clinic.
I think it's a great idea. Not everybody does it, but it's a great idea to get to know the office location, the office policies, maybe the personality of the doctors.
Christina Flores, 2 News.
And another important thing to remember, you want to choose a provider who accepts your insurance.